Today is my oil-free day. On this day, all products I use are manufactured with oil-free compressed air. My breakfast, the clothes I wear, the things I use. As safety manager, I know how important it is to work with oil-free compressed air. In the chemical industry, the oil and gas industry, or the automotive industry. Also, my wife and kids join me on this oil-free day, when going out, staying in, when playing, or watching. Because we care about quality, health and safety in our lives, we choose oil-free products. Atlas Copco, leading the world of oil-free compressor technology.